Imagine if we could network and meet people at the workplace by just sitting at home. Or imagine if we could bring Roblox to real life. Or wait, let's make it more interesting. Imagine that you and your friends go to a trip to Mars before one of you all get married. I know all this sounds really absurd, but this is what the near future looks like. Thanks to the efforts of Mark Zuckerberg and the entire team of Meta, who are trying to build a convergence of augmented reality, physical reality, and virtual reality in a shared online space based on the concept of Web 3. Don't worry, we are not going to throw these technical jargons at you, but rather try to understand the universe of Metaverse with the simplest of examples. So let's get started. Web 1 was the first stage on which the World Wide Web revolution was based. It was a simple peer-to-peer interaction and had a horrible user experience. Then came Web 2, where companies like Facebook and Google built great user experiences but centralized everything to achieve economies of scale and have everything in their control. Now we are moving towards Web 3, which might have great user experiences, technology, and scale. But the most interesting part about this is that the ownership and autonomy comes back to its users. The very reason why Facebook changed its name to Meta is that they're going all in for Web 3 and they are creating this universe of Metaverse. Metaverse helps you be in a virtual world where your digital avatar can help you do things of your own choice. It could be meeting someone for a date across the planet, attending events, or going for a casual evening walk with a friend who lives 1,000 miles away. It shall work in a similar fashion as the internet, where you might have to log in and connect with a virtual reality headset. Now here's the twist. Instead of having things displayed over a screen like it generally does, they would be projected in your eyes with a VR headset, making it feel like you're in a virtual reality world. Here are the 4 things we expect to change once this becomes a reality. First, travel and tourism. You are definitely going to visit more places than you currently do. Second, work dynamics. You would be attending more conferences, doing group projects, corporate networking, start paying frequent visits to your office, and yet continue to do work from home in your favorite sweatpants. Third, online shopping. There are going to be personalized avatars that are going to try clothes online, and the question of how a particular piece of cloth would fit is going to go out of question. Fourth, and the last, gaming. Well, this should have topped the list. People are already buying their favorite avatars and digital shoes to make sure they look the coolest in the augmented reality world. Well, this is not the end. The list of the industries that might get impacted is long, so this list is definitely not exhaustive. In fact, some companies have already started making substantial investments in the Metaverse universe, like Microsoft, Nvidia, and Unity Software. So these companies might be a good catch for you if you are bullish on the whole idea of Metaverse and Web 3. We hope you had a great 3 minutes of learning with us and we were able to simplify the idea of Metaverse, which essentially means beyond universe. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.